Good afternoon from us at Sunny Approach. We are here with our garden. If you haven't seen any of the other videos on our garden, just quick primer. This is an indoor hydroponic growing system. Water in the bottom, lights in these light bars, and the water goes up and down the plastic tubes.
And we have quite a few plants. Some of them are doing better than others. Lettuce is wonderful. The lettuce is like out of sync, but the strawberries, although they're growing, trying to keep track of all the flowers and self-pollinating is not great.
Tomatoes are good though.
Tomatoes are good. The bok choy is getting better. But again, the tomatoes are the same thing. You know, you gotta keep fighting the self-pollination. Yeah. So same thing with the peppers. It looks like we've only got a couple peppers. These are sweet peppers that we can use. But you know, the cucumber here has a cucumber on it. But So, but lettuce, yeah. And the herbs are great.
But no herb lasts forever. So our cilantro, which we've been using a lot of in our salsa, pico de gallo, etc., has pretty much worn itself out. So we reached out to the people at Gardyn with our subscription that we have and said, please send us more. So this time around we got 2 lots of cilantro and green butter crunch, butter head lettuce.
And there's some underneath it too.
Yes, I think some people...
I ordered 10. I'm only counting 6.
And so underneath here, we've got
4 more.
4 more.
And the problem, and they all have the paper in them so the seeds don't come out.
And if you're wondering what do you do with these, you don't put them straight inside of the garden. You must use a nursery because the garden has fertilizer running through it, and that will prevent the germination of the seeds. So we have a separate little nursery, and there's another video on that somewhere in the collection of garden videos.
But if your house gets smelling stale, I'll tell you, we haven't opened the windows because we've gone from cold weather to spring weather with clouds of pollen, so the windows haven't been open this year, but the house does not smell stale at all.
Now this out of control stuff, this is all the peas, and we have a trellis, you can see it. It's another one of the garden things that we purchased, and there's a video on that as well. But generally speaking, other than the fact that we probably aren't tending to it quite as well as we should, it's been a pretty successful growing season.
Yeah, if you just need herbs and lettuce, I think we've had to buy 1 thing of lettuce because we had other people coming, but for 2 people, it's kept us in lettuce.
Now, what do we know about this down here?
Well, we have mint down there, and that's gone seed, but you know, it's just mint, and it's so good at changing out the smells of everything. Something just got water out of everything. And the parsley is doing well, though again, we haven't done much with parsley. Same thing with the dill, but I mean, it's also about air exchange. There's another pepper in here, and some peas I need to take off. I think that's the ones that we use with our cilantro.
So there you have it, folks. The Gardyn hydroponic system. If you have enjoyed this, if you find this helpful, I invite you to become a subscriber to our channel. Hit the little like button, give us feedback, and hit the bell if you want to know when we drop a new video. We do post about lots of different things, so if you're only interested in the garden, do go ahead and just look at the garden playlist because we put the videos for that in there. And with that, we wish you a sunny day.
Even though it's a rainy one here. Oh.